Former Prime Minister Han Duck-soo is set to hear the verdict in his trial over his role in the December 3rd martial law declaration. The ruling will set the tone for former President Yoon as the court decides on whether the martial law declaration by former President Yoon Suk Yeol was an act of insurrection. Our Kim Do-yeon has more.
CCTV footage from December 3, 2024 captures the historic moment when then President Yoon Suk Yeol leaves a room with his cabinet to declare martial law. His cabinet is seen sitting motionless, failing to intervene. The evidence emerged during the trial of former Prime Minister Han Duck-soo, with the court delivering its verdict on Wednesday afternoon. The ruling will set a critical precedent, marking the first time a court will decide if a martial law declaration itself constitutes an act of criminal insurrection. Han faces charges of perjury and abetting the ringleader, with prosecutors arguing the move was an attempt to seize power through a self-coup.
The December 3rd martial law declaration is believed to have stemmed from the idea that it would succeed, much like a typical self-coup.
Prosecutors have requested a 15-year prison sentence, arguing Han abandoned his duty as the only official capable of stopping the situation. Han denies the allegations. He admits failing to prevent the declaration, but testified he never agreed with or aided the attempt.
Although I failed to stop the martial law declaration, I never agreed to it or attempted to help. That is the most honest, final confession I can offer in this historic courtroom today.
The ruling will inevitably impact the ruling of former President Yoon, set for February 19th, and 4 other cabinet members. Yoon faces charges of leading an insurrection, for which prosecutors have demanded the death penalty, which is the statutory maximum. If the court accepts the insurrection charge in Han's verdict, it signals a grim outlook for the former president. Kim Do-yeon, ArirangNews.